I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next, search and select Bit Form as an action. Give here the client ID. So, go to the Bit Form dashboard. App Setting. API. Copy the API key and save it. Then go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and paste it into the client ID. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose a form. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your Bit Form dashboard. Under the actions, click on 3 dots and go to the responses. Here you can see that the data came successfully into the Bit Form. Thanks for watching.